चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू असा एजुकेशन। आज कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 36। ये आपकी इस चैप्टर की लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है। ब्रेनन मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक, चैप्टर 3 है क्लॉजेस। अब इस जो आपको एक्सरसाइज है, इसमें आपको बेसिकली सेंटेंसेस में ये बताना है कि कौन सा क्लॉज है। जो भी आपको वर्ड्स यहाँ पे इटैलिक्स में दिख रहे हैं, में आपको बताना है कि ये नाउन क्लॉज है, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है या फिर एडवर्ब क्लॉज है। तो पहला सेंटेंस है, he cannot find a place to sleep in। तो यहां पे क्या होगा, where he can sleep। ये हुआ आपका एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज। The girl with long hair is my cousin। With long hair, who has long hair? Adjective clause। Have you heard the news? News? What the news is? Noun clause। In spite of his efforts, he failed, though he has made efforts। Adverb clause। He walked slowly to avoid slipping, so that he might avoid slipping। Adverb clause। This is my home, where I live। Noun clause। He cried aloud for joy, as he was full of joy। Adverb clause। I am surprised at your question, what you have asked। Noun clause। He works hard for a living, so that he may earn his livelihood। Adverb clause। Being lame, he has to use crutches, as he is lame। Adverb clause। The sun having set, the army stopped to rest, when the sun set। Adverb clause। I heard of his arrival, that he had arrived। Noun clause। The duration of the war was uncertain, how long the war will last। Noun clause। His remarks were not received with approval, what he had remarked। Noun clause। He declared his innocence, that he was innocent। Noun clause। I am hopeful of his speedy recovery, that he will recover soon। Noun clause। Did he explain the purpose of his coming, why he had come? Noun clause। He ordered the traitor to be executed, that the traitor should be executed। Noun clause। He remarked on the boy's impudence, that the boy was impudent। Noun clause। His silence proves his guilt, that he is silent। Noun clause। I cannot tell you the date of my return, when I shall arrive। Noun clause। His share in the plot was suspected, that He had a share in the plot. Noun clause. He speaks like a born orator, as a born orator does. Adverb clause. Under existing conditions, railway travel is expensive, as existing conditions are such. Adverb clause. He is not foolish as to accept your offer. That he will accept your offer. Adverb clause. In my old home, we had many fruit trees where I lived before. Adverb clause. I promise you a holiday on condition of your good behavior, if you behave well. Adverb clause. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 36, जो कि आपकी इस चैप्टर की लास्ट एक्सरसाइज थी। आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए। असा एजुकेशन हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज जो कि एक नए चैप्टर की है।